So hi, this is Ron Olson with Bell Flight. We're in the middle of our drone competition called the Bell Vertical Robotics Competition. And I just had the great experience of meeting Alex Vanover. And he happens to have a little bit of skill sets on flying drones. So I'm going to let you describe what you do.
Yeah.
And I think everybody will love hearing it.
So guys, I'm Alex Vanover. I go by Captain Vanover online. That's my drone racing handle. So I fly these racing drones on television. You can watch on NBC, the Drone Racing League. I'm a 2019 world champion and a 2017 multi-GP national drone racing champion. And I love everything that flies. I build, customize, tune all of my drones, and I'm actually really excited to be here at this event because it's just so awesome to see young adults getting the opportunity to learn about robotics and just fly and crash, build, repeat. That's exactly what I did in my entire life, and I still do. So it's super awesome to see them get it started at a young age.